Hello, hello. How's it going? Anna Malimon here. Today, I want to share something incredible with you, something I'm actually giving to you as a gift for free. So, check this out. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you something that's incredible because it's so worth sharing. Okay, so here's my site, eLifeBOSS.com. When you come to this page, go to the resources page. This is your free gift. This right here, 100 million traffic blueprint, you want to get your hands on. And here's why, because this is a traffic blueprint that has brought in millions of dollars. So you can get your hands on it. So, what my mentor, Vic, is going to do is walk you through this secret strategy. And so you can see how he gets over 100 targeted visitors per day. I'm going to play this video for you just briefly. When you click on this, learn more about 100 million traffic blueprint, it will take you to this page. I did it conveniently. Oh, just opened everything up for you. So I'm going to share with you. You have to go watch the rest. And, all you have to do is just follow the instructions in this video and get that free gift. You'll get a copy of the blueprint and you will actually get instructions on how to use it properly, how to get, manage, and multiply your traffic and scale your business. So I hope this helps and I hope you appreciate the gift. Have an amazing day and stay awesome. I'll see you in my next video.